Hello, gardeners. Today, we're going to discuss how to give onions this essential nutrient in order to achieve large, high-quality fruits. Onions are a versatile and beloved garden crop, known for their rich flavors and uses in cooking. But did you know that a well-balanced fertilizer can help your onions produce even larger and more flavorful fruits? First, let's talk about the importance of nitrogen. Nitrogen is a key nutrient for onion growth as it helps create healthy roots, promotes leaf expansion, and encourages onion bulbs to develop. To provide your onions with enough nitrogen, consider using a slow release or organic fertilizer like compost or manure. Next up is phosphorus. Phosphorus is another essential nutrient for onion growth, as it contributes to onion flowering and proper fruit development. Make sure to apply a high-quality phosphorus-based fertilizer during the growing season to ensure your onions have the necessary nutrients for strong fruiting. Another important nutrient for onions is potassium. Potassium is responsible for onion bulb firmness and overall plant health. It's crucial to apply potassium-rich fertilizers alongside nitrogen and phosphorus for optimal results. Finally, don't forget about magnesium. Magnesium is involved in photosynthesis and plant cell division, and a lack of magnesium can lead to stunted growth and poor fruit quality. Make sure to apply a balanced magnesium fertilizer to address any magnesium deficiency in your onion plants. In addition to these nutrients, consider providing your onions with sufficient water and sunlight. Regular watering and proper light exposure are essential for healthy onion growth and strong fruit development. So, there you have it. By using a balanced fertilizer containing nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium, you can help your onions reach their full potential and produce large, high-quality fruits. Happy gardening!